Liberty, why are you creeping? Hmm?
She likes hiding around the chair.
Jake's putting your nose right in the lens, too. Alright, have fun.
Hey guys, welcome back to Professional Weekenders YouTube channel. Today we're in the garage and we are going to be replacing the axle grease on our jet ski trailer. So stick around, it's going to be a lot of fun, and let's go. Alright, first things first, we're going to load up our grease gun. We got our Valvoline Automotive Full Synthetic.
Doesn't matter what kind of grease to use?
I would prefer, yeah, probably the full synthetic is probably going to be your best bet. Alright, so we're going to unscrew the canister here.
What does the canister do?
This is what allows us to put the grease in there. It's going to give us all the pressure.
Oh, so it's like a caulk gun?
It's kind of a similar idea, but a lot more pressure.
Oh.
Alright, so now we've taken the end off of there. We're just going to slide that down in there.
Oh, loaded side that way? Okay.
Yep. And then you pop the top and there we go. Screw it on this end. Alright, now we can release the pressure on this end. Alright, now we got our bleeder valve here, so we'll let out some of that. Give it a couple pumps here and let out some of that air.
Where'd you get this?
I got it from Amazon.
So what is the pumping doing?
It should be building up pressure in there.
Excuse me. Are you helping? Excuse me, ma'am. I'm gonna need you to move so we can slide the trailer over.
Alright guys, so we're going to go ahead and get started filling up the axle grease. First thing we want to do is take a paper towel here and just wipe around this area to make sure that we get all the dust. We don't want any dirt or anything getting into our hub assembly. I'm going to go ahead and pop the cap off of that. So we have our little axle grease nipple in there. Alright. I'm going to take our grease gun, push it onto the nipple. Alright. And we're going to get to pumping. And we pump, pump, pump. And we pump, pump, pump. And we pump, pump, pump all day.
Alright. That's enough. Alright. So then we just keep going until we see it coming out.
And until we see the black grease coming out.
Okay.
It's interesting, this one has a different color grease than the other side.
Yeah, that's weird. That looks disgusting.
Yeah. Alright. And let's get a couple more pumps for posterity. And there we go. So now we see all the black grease coming out. We'll just wipe that away with a paper towel. It smells delicious.
It smells like a mechanic's garage.
I was thinking it smells like a semi-truck.
Yeah.
Alrighty.
Now what?
Alright. So now we're gonna go ahead and pull this thing, pull the attachment back off of there. Get the pin. It's all covered in grease. It's all slippery. There we go. And just clean it up a little bit.
I think it's made it worse. I think like between 2 and 6 o'clock.
Yeah, we can get all that out of there. Want the seal is set flush.
Yeah. So these contraptions under the tire are something Lewis has been thinking about doing a video on for some time. So if you think he should give you guys a review of these trailer dollies, wheel dollies, whatever they're called, leave us a comment down below and let us know what you think. Are you tired? Liberty. Excuse me.
Alright, so now I just put the dust cover back on there. And we're all said and done.
I thought this was going to take much longer.
Oh. Pretty easy, huh? Alright guys, so here's your pro tips for changing the axle grease on your trailer. I'd say number 1 is you should change it once a year or every 12,000 miles. Number 2 is get a good grease gun and use good quality synthetic grease. And number 3 is just keep pumping out there until you see the new stuff coming out, and that's how you know when it's time to stop. So that's going to do it for us today. Remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Let us know if you tried changing the grease in your own axles and how that went. And we'll see you next weekend.
Do you have any comments? No? Nothing? Did Dad oh, okay. Alright. You got thoughts now. Okay. Alright. Bye.
You ready?
Mm-hmm. Right. Hey, I told you to, Liberty, get out from underneath there, please.
Make smaller ones, but it's hard to find the smaller ones. This is the standard size.
So what you're saying is we're gonna have a whole thing of grease just laying around the garage.
Pretty much, yeah.
Until next year, when you have to buy different grease because that grease isn't gonna be good anymore.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yep, that's the way it goes.
Nice. You're a good girl. Can confirm you are a good girl. That's a puppy. Come high five. Oh, okay. Thank you for smacking the lens. Okay, good job. Can you move, please? Come here. Come here. Come on. Good girl.
Alright guys, so we're going to go ahead and get started on filling up the axle grease.
Say that again.
That's gross.
What?
It's right there.
Well, where else would it be?
Well, it should be a little bit further inside there than that. But
That's what you get for flipping it around like a baton.